Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God!
Girl, I like the way you move your body. Girl, I like the way you move your body. Girl, I like the way you move your body. Girl, I like the way you move your body. From side to side, yeah. Throw it left to right, yeah. We gon' make it right, girl.
Keep your foot on the brake.
I know that.
You want to drive off straight, or you want to?
I'm gonna go straight. You put it down.
Yep. All right, y'all. This is my reaction to my girlfriend driving. Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! No, it's all good. It's all good. I think you got it. I think you got it.
No, for one, when I pulled off, I don't know why, but your wheel was not turning right. That's why I couldn't turn it.
Come on.
It felt like it was.
We got this turn right here for sure.
It felt like it was stuck. Like it really felt like it was hella stuck.
You feel me? It's my this a real reaction to my wife. You feel me? And her driving. I like, you feel me? Yeah. Just go to one of those down and get a good breathe.
Where's me? You got him putting the GPS on.
Oh yeah, I do. I got it on. It's not stop sign. Where's she going? No, you're not doing that. You're not doing that.
Turn right
You're
onto
not doing
82nd
that.
Avenue.
You're not doing that. You're not. Let's just drive right.
At the next light, turn right.
I'm not playing. I'm not playing. I'm not playing. I'm not playing.
I know how to drive.
I felt that speed kicking up a little bit.
I know how to drive. I really do.
Okay.
I really do know how to drive.
Ooh, you better really know how to drive with the cops sitting right there too. Like no playing.
Which way you go straight?
Yes. Ooh, wee. All right, where are we going?
It's a left, huh?
What's your address? Make a left.
At the stop sign, turn left onto Plymouth Street.
No, I wasn't. He was finna whack me. Oh, shit.
Make a left.
A left?
Yes. You didn't even go to a full stop, man.
I don't give a shit.
At the next stop sign, turn right.
Yeah, I definitely gotta take driving lessons because, ooh, shit, I'm a little rusty and dusty.
Straight.
And you definitely not a good teacher though, because the way you yelled at me at first, that is not how you teach somebody how to drive.
I know, but you just in the back of the car.
Yeah, but you don't teach them how, you don't yell. I don't think I'm able to park like that.
Yep. Mm-hmm. Keep going. Yep, this you. This all you.
Nigga, every time you get ready to park, your shit do the same goddamn shit. That driveway just low as fuck. So don't look at me like you surprised. And when you get ready to get in here, the same shit that happened to you. I don't do anything different to you.
Girl, I like the way you move your body. Girl, I like the way you move your body. Girl, I like the way you move your body. Girl, I like the way you move your body. From side to side, yeah. Throw it left to right, yeah. We gon' make